Ja, ja, daar zijn we. Het is fucking veel te warm om wat te gaan filmen. Nou is het bij mij nooit te warm natuurlijk, want ja, ik ben niet zo heel erg breed, dus ik heb het niet zo heel snel warm. Alleen, als het warm weer is, willen er wel eens dingen kapot gaan. Zoals mijn koffiemachine in de shop en mijn cv-ketel. Dan kan ik kiezen of een video maken, of mijn cv-ketel maken en mijn andere koffieautomaat halen dat de klanten weer de koffie hebben vanavond. Dus dan ga ik voor het laatste en de cv-ketel maken. Arjan, mijn maat Arjan, die zorgt voor die nieuwe pakking en dan kan ik die weer maken. En die koffieautomaat, hij staat daar. Ja, dus als iemand nog een koffieautomaat wil, hij is te koop. Ja, ik heb hem al jaren, doet perfect. Alleen hij lekt ook een beetje water door. Dat is het enige. Dat is wel lullig, want de shop was helemaal eigenlijk nat net. Dus ik neem de afscheid, maar ik ga een nieuwe versie proberen en dan gaan we daarmee aan de gang. Hè. Dus we gaan even een leuke ondergetitelde Ierse ondertiteling, nee, Ierse gesproken video, een oude video van ons voor de vakantie erin gooien. En ik was inmiddels wel verder gaan dan die Throwback. Ja, die geheugenkaart die ging kapot, dus ik kon de beelden niet downloaden. Ook kloten. Inmiddels heb ik wel de rem erop gezet. Ik moet de handplaat wel doen. En de campingstripje zit er ook op. Dus daar gaan we de volgende keer weer echt mee verder. 100%. En dan, ik zou zeggen, geniet ervan van die leuke Iers gesproken video van ons. En de volgende keer gaan we weer verder en keep cool hè, keep cool!
Yeah, here we are again with Screws. So, what are we going to do today? I'll tell you, I'm really not in the mood. I'm seriously not in the mood at all. Of course, I know my own bike here. Is there anything I can do about it? I think I might sell it, but I'm not completely sure yet. And of course, I know the turbo bike boom too. It's also still kind of unfinished. You could do a month-long project on the crappy Yamaha. I could do that too. I could also do some renovations at home. I could do this and that. I still need to draw some tattoo designs, but I've been busy today. I think I'll just call it a day and do nothing for once, so this is going to be a nice boring video. And of course, Jerry is also busy with Caesar, with this and that. With his studios, with the band, and my other band. Crazy busy, but he had to take care of something. He brought a camera, a little camera with him, and he had to do something with a hedge. And that boat, his boat is underwater again, of course. So, you guys can just watch that. Then I'll just I think I will end up doing something, of course. I can't just do nothing, because then I'll get bored. I'm going to tidy up a bit here, and then next time you'll see us together again. So enjoy Jerry and Jerry. Take it away. Toot toot, 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 toot.
Good day and welcome to Scrooge. What did you guys do over the weekend? Well, let me tell you, Stores was busy. He had to go to a buddy's place over the weekend. We all know him really well. Neil, shout out to Neil, and he had a birthday party. Well, that's nice. Then there's no filming going on. But I had a little job to do. Because this weekend, I had chores at the yacht club. The yacht club? You bet. And what did I do there? I had to trim a few hedges and pump out my little boat, because otherwise we'll end up with Das the submarine again. We don't want that. So I went armed with my hedge trimmer, my pump, and my power pack. Headed over to the little marina, and I really did my best there. I thought I'd bring my little camera along, so we can shoot a quick video for you guys. Who knows, it might be fun. Well, I think it's pretty fun, so I'd say enjoy and see you next time. Screw. Well, here we are walking. A picturesque little part of Rotterdam up ahead. Just look at that beautiful view of the A20. Absolutely grand. All sorts of cute little boats. It used to be completely empty across the water here. It was nothing but polderland. Unfortunately, not anymore. But that doesn't matter. If you want beautiful, scenic views, you just have to hop in your boat and sail somewhere else, because you won't find that here. But anyway, water is always nice, of course. So close by. It's always something that keeps drawing people in. Water. Well, let's have a look at how Das Bootje is doing. It's been a while. A few rain showers and a few crying fits. There's also a seagull lying there. Also a Das Boot. That's Das Bootje, Das Bootje, Das Boot. Absolutely beautiful. Well, let's pump it out for a bit because I think there's probably something in there. Could there be? Well, that's actually not too bad. There is a thin layer, but that's not what I was worried about. How? This. This is much better than I expected. Well, that's a relief. Alright, I'm going to put it down for a moment. Otherwise it's not going to work at all. Otherwise, that phone will suddenly end up in the water. Well, here we are then. Battery pack, little pump, hose, and a really fat, thick stream of green water from Das Bootje. We could also just spray it back in there. Then he'll have something to do later when he wants to sail again. That wouldn't be very nice. But this is going well. It's actually a shame about the little cabin, too. We really should give this thing a proper overhaul sometime. But maybe that's a good idea for a future Screwloose episode with Das Bootje. Just look, a whole railing at the front and a really nice zinc lid I had made for it. Okay, we're back again. We're almost done. This one's almost empty. Then we'll move to the next. It's tricky with a phone in hand. We're to try it for you guys. Risking life and limb. Then we'll just put it down here for a moment. That's not going to work. And now I think, well, this is actually what I was made for. No, let's do it differently. Well, here you are, trying to do the right thing. Half the boat is empty. The other half is still full of some undefinable green water. Most likely, there's also a cure for cancer growing in this water. But yeah, anyway, I'm not smart enough for that, so I'll just leave it. I'll pump it out sometime, but that's not going to happen today, because what's going on? My battery pack is dead. Well, how lame is that? That'll teach me to buy my tools at Dirk's. That's not exactly the smartest thing either. But yeah, anyway, it doesn't matter. While I was working here and enjoying this incredibly beautiful view over the Schie. Just look at what a stunning panorama this is. The bridge just opened for that huge James Bond boat that just passed by. But where was I? What did I just come across? Because that's pretty unusual. Look here, in the engine compartment of my little boat, there's just a beautiful flower growing. And it's really stuck in there too. Jesus, how is this even possible? What a story this is, man. Just look at nature, ha. You can't fool nature. You know, nature won't be tricked. It just keeps going, whether you like it or not. Well then, flower with your little root. I wish you a safe journey. Let's take a moment for all those who have fallen. A moment of silence. Shush. Yeah, you too. Shush. Okay, that's enough. So, what are we going to do? Well, today absolutely nothing, because I've had enough of it already. We're going to charge that one up. We're going to pump that one out. That'll probably take another week, because honestly, I just don't feel like it anymore. And then let's hope we'll be back again next week. Nice and cozy, just the two of us. Stjors and me. Screw loose.